In this video, I'm gonna continue my Telegram bot that I built in my previous videos. And now I'm gonna add an email sorting. So basically what I wanna do is to check all the input emails. I'm using Gmail, so you're gonna know how to do that. Then AI is gonna analyze it and output it to me to Telegram, a short summary. So in the end, it's gonna look something like here. Later, of course, I removed it as a spam, but here you can see example. It is saying me that this email sent me, who sent, and what is sent. So basically it's quite easy. Instead of Gmail module, I used usual module. Here you can see the Gmail module. And the reason is very simple why I use this one is because here you can basically do everything the same that in Gmail, but later you can iterate attachment. Somehow Gmail module didn't work me at this time when I was building it, so I used this module instead. It doesn't actually matter. So first of all, you need get emails module, connect your email. How to connect Gmail and email I showed in my previous videos. There I also showed how to connect Google Cloud overall, so you can watch these videos. Here you can choose the folder that you need. I needed all emails, so it has to be inbox. And here I changed the date from which one I want to start to see emails to this module to analyze, because I don't want to see very old emails. And the second module that I have is AI module. As you know, I am using XAI because it's very cheap. I truly recommend it. And here I used Grok latest module and had this beautiful prompt, which basically is your email assistant, and you have to categorize, is it spam, is it invoice, or is it something else. And here I added also a second message, which is assistant, and I added text from the previous email module, the full text, because this full text is gonna be sent, if it is not a spam, to another module that is gonna shorten it. If it is a spam, then I have here filters. This one is filtering invoices only. As you can see, I have here invoice. Text has to be equal and case insensitive just in case. And if AI says it's invoice, then it's going upper here way. And if it is something else, for example, new client or some question that you people ask, then it has to be also equal case insensitive and it's other text. And so here in another AI, it is gonna take it. It is gonna run with this prompt. As you can see, your sharp personal email assistant, and it's gonna output me similar text that I have here in Telegram already. And the second message is also full text from email. And then it's gonna send to my Telegram bot. Here I have my chat ID. It is not the same chat ID that I have here in URL. It is actual chat ID that I took from a previous module. Like I have here in my previous scenarios, it is watch and updates module. Here you're gonna have your webhook, how to connect it. I have my first Telegram video, and then you can run this module only. Let me write actually here something. And then you can go to message, and here you're gonna find chat and chat ID. So you can copy these numbers and paste them in the send a text message or a reply module if you don't have this watch and updates module in the same scenario. So this is how you get your chat ID. And here in the upper one where I have invoice, it is very easy. Here I have iterate attachment module, and I just took the same first module, and it's outputting me just attachments that I have, for example invoices, and uploading them to Google Drive. It just maps out file name and data and outputs it there, nothing crazy. And then I have Telegram bot set again with the same chat ID and with a very simple prompt to see that I received an invoice from who and that it was also sent to Google Drive. So nothing crazy to receive and sort emails. It is quite useful because sometimes if emails are too many of them, too many spams, then you might not see the important ones. It happened to me a couple of times when I missed important emails. So this module is very simple. It just analyzes for me every 2 hours all the emails that I have received and then throws out all the spam and only gives me important emails. And the best part is you can connect it with your bot or assistant that we built in the previous videos. So you don't have to have multiple chats. You just can have one chat in Telegram, and here you can talk with AI and also receive your actual emails. So this is quite useful. That's about it for this video. Also, from now on, I will try to upload all the scenarios and prompts to my school platform. It is freshly created, but I will try to upload everything there, because many of you have been asking me those prompts and scenarios, and I think the best place where to put them is right here. But for now, have a beautiful day.